Orlando Pirates sethubeni lokunqoba indebe ezimbili kulesizini njengoba yakhala emuka neMTN 8 ekuqaleni kwesizini nje. Umqeqeshi waleli qembu laseSoweto ubegaqela iDSTV Premiership kakhulu.
We can finish the season with 2 trophies, second spot, but still we are not satisfied, and it's the truth. I don't want to be arrogant because I'm not. Okay, so it's a competition, and what we want in every competition is play until the end, have the opportunity to fight until the end, and we didn't in the league. It's a fact.
Umqeqeshi wezimnyama ngenkani uyakuvuma nokuthi iqembu lakhe ilona eliyintandokazi ukuba linqobe lo mdlalo.
Any game we going to play, we have to accept that role and that pressure.
Umqeqeshi weSekhukhune United uthi Pirates iyona ebukeka izoba bukhali kakhulu kulomdlalo yize besayidle kanye baphinde badlala nayo ngokulingana kulesizini.
We have some quick players that can come out from a deep block, but in terms of them, yeah, they do commit a lot in attack as much as it's the strength. It can also be the weakness. With Pirates going into the game as confident as the public and myself assume as well, there will be spaces to exploit.
Kusenjalo asethengwe wonke amathikiti okubukela lo mdlalo.